So we are with our question number 2. The larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So what are supplement angles? Two angles are said to be supplement. Angle A and angle B are said to be supplement if their sum is equal to 180 degree, है ना. दो एंगल को supplementary हम कहते हैं if their measures of the angles is equal to what? Sum of measures of angles is equal to what? 180 degree. Is that clear? In previous classes, in small classes, we have already learned this concept. Okay, what are supplementary angles? So the larger of the two supplementary angles. So let us consider, to start with the solution, let the larger angle be x, okay, and smaller angle be y. Is that clear? Therefore, according to condition 1, what we are having? X plus y equals to 180, because the angles are supplementary. This means what? The sum of angles is what? 180 degree. Now the second condition is what? The larger angle exceeds the smaller angle by 18 degrees. This means what? जो larger angle है वो smaller angle से 18 degree ज़्यादा है. Is that clear? So according to condition 2, what we will get? The larger angle means x is 18 degrees more. तो अगर हम दोनों को इक्वल करना चाहते हैं, then what we will do? We will add 18 degree to the smaller angle. Why? Because if we have to make them equal, then we will add that particular quantity in smaller number. Is that clear? Now this means what? X minus y equals to 18 you are getting. This is your second equation. Now we will solve and find the larger and smaller angle using method of substitution. So from equation 1, what we will get? From equation 1, we will get y equal to 180 minus x. Okay. So now we will put this value. So what we will do? Putting y equals to 180 minus x in equation 2. We will put this value in second equation. Clear, students? So let us see what we will get. So in second equation, x minus, so in place of y, what we will put? We will put 180 minus x. In place of y, we will put 180 minus x is equal to 18. This means what? X minus 180 plus x equals to 18, or x plus x will be equals to what? 2x equals to 18 plus 180. 18 plus 180. Is that clear, students? Now we will get 2x is equal to 18 plus 180 will be equal to what? This will be equal to 198. Is that clear? This means x equals to 198 upon 2, and if you divide 198 by 2, you will get x equals to 2 9s are 18, okay, and again 2 9s are 18. So x equals to how much? 99. So you are getting x as what? 99 degrees. Is that clear, students? So this means what? To find we have calculated the measure of larger angle, and larger angle is coming what? 99 degree. Now in order to find smaller angle, we will substitute the value of x in any one of equation 1 or 2. So let us substitute the value of x in our first equation. So putting x equal to 99 in equation number 1, what we will get? In place of x, we will put what? 99, plus in place of y, we will put it as it is, okay. So this will equal to 180 degree. This means what? Y equals to 180 minus 99, okay. So y is equals to what? Y will be equal to 180 minus 99, or if you subtract 180 with 9 by 99, you will get your result as what? 81. Is that clear? So this means what? you are having two angles, you are getting the measure of two angles. The measure of larger angle is 99 degree and the measure of smaller angle is how much? 81 degree. Is that clear? So finally let us write our answer. Okay, हम अपना आंसर लिख लेते हैं. Therefore measure of larger angle is equal to how much? This was equal to 99 degrees. Measure of larger angle is 99 degree and measure of smaller angle is coming how much? 81 degrees. Clear students? This is your required answer. So in this video we have completed our second part. In next video we will move on to our third word problem. Thank you.